Hey guys, welcome back. This is Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and in this video we're going to drill some 3/16 stainless steel. So I have a 3.1 millimeter drill bit. It is coated, but this is an AliExpress drill bit. It says it's for 60 Rockwell tool steel, so it doesn't actually tell me what coating it is. But all the feeds and speeds are going to be in the description of this video. The material is 1/8 inch thick, 3/16 stainless. So let's go ahead and give it a run. All right, that was pretty uneventful. Holes look great from the top. Okay, so the question is, I go deep enough for these little things to fall off the back? I could probably go a little bit deeper. Got a little bit of melting there, so maybe either I turn down the RPMs or increase the travel speed. Probably should turn down the RPMs. Last thing you want to do on 3/16 is, work hard and right in the middle of the hole. But these are pretty clean holes, so I'm happy. So yeah, here you go. Langmuir Systems MR-1, 3/16 stainless steel. Make sure you like, subscribe, because I'm going to be machining this with a 2 millimeter end mill probably in the next video. If not the next video, shortly thereafter. So continue to try to bring value. So that's all I got for this one, but there's more to come.